Harley now has on his Help Him Up harness, which supports his back end and his front end with wider bands so he doesn't feel quite so pulled in.
Exactly.
And he can do a little bit of walking. Harley,
Yeah. So
he's watching the cat now.
So we'll walk down this way. We actually have a little hallway set up for him. Come on, Harley, this way. Let's
Harley,
go. Come
oh,
on.
walking.
That ball there?
So I'm just going to get up in front so I can...
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, I see where you're taking
Yeah,
him.
if you want to head down that way, we'll walk towards you.
Okay.
There's like massage or...
Okay, Harley, why don't you come? Come
Good
on,
boy.
Harley.
Yeah, call it on.
Come, Harley, come.
Good
Come on,
boy.
come on, let's go.
Good
Let's go,
boy.
come on.
Keep
Good boy.
going.
Walk, 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 walk,
Keep
walk.
going.
Good boy.
Good
boy. Oh my goodness gracious, there you are, right up on my lap.
Good boy.
Okay.
Sit down. Support on the back end.
Yeah.
He was really doing a lot of it on his own on the front. I found that I was holding more this handle here opposed to this one, so he's really working out his front now. We had Amber massaging his hocks, getting some signals sent from his brain to his feet, reminding him where to put his feet and where his toes should be as he walks, and making sure he's not knuckling. And yeah, he did really good. This is the second time we did this today, and he's doing much better.
Oh, well, good.
Yeah.
Okay, Harley. Well, let's see. Do you look tired? Oh my God, like you ran a marathon.
Yeah.
Good boy.
So we'll probably leave it at that for a few hours, and then we'll get him back on the peanut ball a little bit later, and that'll be it for today.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.